Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WooCommerce with Zoho Inventory. This integration is incredibly useful for syncing your online store with your inventory management system, allowing you to automatically track stock levels, orders, and product information across both platforms. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, locate the settings menu by clicking the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to all the configuration options within Zoho Inventory, and it's where we'll find the integration tools we need. Under the settings menu, scroll down until you find the extensions and developer data section. This area contains all the third-party integrations and marketplace options available for your Zoho Inventory account. From here, under the Integrations and Marketplace category, click on Marketplace. This will take you to the Zoho Inventory Marketplace, where you can browse and install various software integrations to enhance your inventory management capabilities. Once you're in the Marketplace, look at the search bar on the right side of your screen. Type in WooCommerce and select WooCommerce Zoho Inventory from the results that appear. This will bring up the specific integration you need to connect your online store with your inventory system. You'll now be directed to the WooCommerce overview page. Take a moment here to read through all the key features of the app you wish to integrate. Check the ratings to see what other users think, review the compatible additions to ensure it works with your setup, and look at the pricing to understand any costs involved. This information helps you make an informed decision before proceeding. Once you've decided to move forward, click on the Visit Website button on the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear asking you to agree to the vendor's terms of service. Read through these terms carefully, and upon agreement, click Visit Website to continue. You will now be directed to the WooCommerce integration page. From here, log in to your WooCommerce account to begin the integration process. This step connects both platforms, allowing data to flow seamlessly between your online store and your inventory management system. And that's it. You've successfully set up the integration between WooCommerce and Zoho Inventory, enabling automatic synchronization of your products, orders, and stock levels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.